Hi bazalwane, ke kopa le ska mpethane lena le tseya dilo serious kore le kwatile. Okay fine, this one is serious, but as taba tsa gore le ka kwatela nna kere a nna a se nna le police. First and foremost, I'm not a police person. First and foremost, le ska nkwatela. All right, go Twitter ke le busy ke lebelle gore dintshang ke khone go robala ke robatse ke Twitter ya se nrobatse ya ntsosa putsa ke tsosa kong Gogo Maweni. The Inside Factor are Gogo Maweni arrested for murder. Breaking news. The SAPS has confirmed that Makgotso Mofokeng, affectionately known as Gogo Maweni, has been arrested, will be appearing in court today. She faces charges of alleged unaliving and assault. Team Gogo Maweni, why didn't we see this one coming? Team Gogo's Koteni, are we involved? Guys, I give stop ukhoza. I can't stop saying yo. So laba bathi gogo usikhotheni phici phici. Is she still phici phici? Oh guys, taba tsa batho. And nna le ska mpetha because ke no le botsa ntho ke e utlwang mo. But wena o ibona kanjani? Kwenzakalani guys? I'm shocked.